Alright, so we are going to check out how to create our own website for absolutely free, where you can host your own CV, your portfolio, you can write anything you want. So stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll show you how I've created this very website. I'm hosting my CV as a PDF file here. So let's dive into it right now. So first off, we need to go to InfinityFree.com. Once this page loads, we'll go on to register and we need to type down our email address and password that we want for this site. Once you select that I have read the terms, you can click sign up. A verification link will be sent to your mail ID, so you need to verify your email from your inbox. In your Gmail inbox, you will find this mail from InfinityFree. Click on that mail and just click on verify email address. The page that loads, it will ask you to log into your account. Do that now. Now once you log into this dashboard, you will find that you are being shown that you do not have any hosting accounts yet. Just click on create an account now. Your hosting plan will be the free one, where you get 5 GB of disk space, unlimited bandwidth and unlimited hosted domains. Trust me, that should be enough for now. Just click create now. You need to select a domain name. Now please understand that domain names can be bought. So the domain extensions essentially that you get here are the free ones. You can choose any of these. Personally, I like the one that says .rf.gd, so I'll proceed with that. In terms of a subdomain, let's say I want to create the profile for a person, for a website for a person whose name is anonymous person. Anonymous person.rf.gd, right? So that is the domain that I want. So I will simply click on check availability, and if it is available, they'll let me know. So the domain anonymous person.rf.gd is available. Additional info, we really do not want any additional info right now. So you need to provide your email consent. At the drop down menu, you need to select I approve, and then you can click on create account. So your account has been created with user ID. You do not need this user ID, you do not need to be worried about it at all. You can simply click on open control panel. On clicking open control panel, you will be shown this notice. You need to click on I approve, and this is what your control panel will look like. So as you can see, there are multiple options here that lets you configure your web page. This is your Vista panel. In case you want to dive into more critical settings, you can explore this. Right now, we will only work with the online file manager. Just click on online file manager. Your file manager loads up. You will find a folder called htdocs. So just click on htdocs and you will see that it says that files for your website should be uploaded here. So we will create a new file called index.html. We will click on this plus button and click on new file. As the file name, we will write index.html and hit enter. So this text editor will load up. Right, so this is the basic structure of a HTML web page. It starts with the HTML opening tag and the closing tag ends the whole page. Within the HTML tag, you have your head tag. Within the head tag, you have your title tag. So that is essentially the page title that is shown up at this point in the screen. So let's say our title should be my personal web page, right? And we can close the head tag. Inside body, let us simply write hello world. At this point, let's not complicate things. In the further videos, we'll see how to actually modify and customize our web page to our own necessities, right? So right now we will write only this. Body tag is closed, HTML tag is closed, and we are done. So we can simply click on save and close. So we can see that on Chrome, this web page is not loading, and this is essentially due to something called DNS caching, and it takes some time. Let's not go into technicals. Let's fire up Mozilla Firefox, and here if we go to our web page anonymousperson.rf.gd, and you find that your web page is now live. Please understand that this web page is live on the internet. This is your own web page whatever you have typed in, we had typed in hello world, it is now available and visible over the internet to anybody across the world. If we refer to what we had written, we had actually written in the body of our web page hello world ! That is what we are getting. Also, our title was my personal web page. Please see that the title appears here at the top, right, at the top of your tab. So essentially the whole thing works. So if you want to create your own free website, this is the best way and the easiest way to do it in 2024, right? In the future videos, we'll see how to tweak and customize this web page more for our own requirements, say for a portfolio or a CV, online CV. And we'll also see how to make sure that these issues such as a not secure website message and so on, these can be done away with. If you are enjoying this video so far, if you find this useful, if you have been able to do this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please, this helps me a lot, it encourages me a lot. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.